Blessing my viewers and subscribers. I don't know a thing, man. Don't know what's a NEWLINK there from NEWLINK Production. Well, people, right about now, Candy. Wow. Well, people, things not go good for Candy now. Because since Candy go on with a bag of thing of Spice and mash up Spice show, and then she go come and talk about say her manager, she don't know if her manager collect money from Spice and them thing there. Well, people, things not go good for Candy. Zane, because right now, people, Candy manager, Kido, who was our manager for over a month, you understand, who spend up a lot of money on Candy, ensures that things good, ensures that things alright with her. Well, people, right now, him call it quits. You get me, I say? So him separate himself from Candy and say, him no longer responds for Candy and everything. Which Candy did come forward and say, yo, listen up, our boyfriend is our manager right now. And Candy did come forward and say, when she go foreign, only her father and her boyfriend can go with her. She said she don't want her mother with her. Well, people, not the end, you know. That's why I tell you, sometimes, boy, some local Jamaica people can make some local things go through sometimes, which, boy, I tell you. Because some people who may say Jamaica people get that big exposure out there because of one local foolishness sometimes. And some real talented people out there who really need it, them nah get it. Zin? That's why sometimes, you know, when people blame artists a dirty song and slack song, I don't really have nothing to say about it. You know why? Because when the artists them do the good music and I put out the positive things, then people not buying it. But when they come with them like a foolishness and wind up themselves and do some like a nastiness and them something there, I hate them make go out there. See? And in the end, you see what happen now. Because now I be a foolishness Candy a go out because you see Candy mother come and Candy mother even talk and say, listen, she a foolish Candy I keep up. What Candy I do her wrong. See? Because the youth what did the manager her career? So the youth say after the show, right? Candy mother call him and say, listen, I know so I can't find Candy. I not see Candy. So him say him call Candy. When him call Candy now, Candy tell him say she did a sentence. Oh, Candy read sentence so fast when she did up there. So Zane and other places, you understand, she did all over other places. Him say to Candy say, listen, you know say, I want you to go a Bossy Tuesday on our next show, right, in Kingston. Candy said to the youth, say, listen, you collect money, so the youth said these things is not nothing where I go get paid for. It's just a local promotion thing, which these are the things that sell them. If you notice, people, when Mackerel they are Jamaica, right, before Mackerel start traveling, Mackerel used to be all over the park, them round Bounticle, around everybody. Them is what they call marketing strategy. You understand? Them are things that them need. Just like when select artists go dance and go make big selector to play them song. You understand? That's how the things selling up. But in the end now, because Candy is a local crackhead and a local dunce now, sorry for say it, but it's just the truth, you understand? And a local fool now, and now wise up and now flushing system and using brain now, this is the things we are going now, people. Zane? So in the end, the youth say, he asks her, she say, yo, if you're not collecting the money, boom, nothing. She hang up her phone, him try call her several times, no answer, people. Well, that's why I'm saying, listen, you know, I hit that. So now Candy say, is our boyfriend, which, I know her boyfriend now, boy deep inside me can't tell these people. I'm the manager, right now I'm going to use it. So basically, Candy career finish. It finished. And she never have a career either. See? The look how hype she got, because that's not a career. The look how hype she get, the look how thing where that go on for her. Because you can't work so. Them people are them too frightened. You understand? Just because of wow. Anybody can come say wow and wind up themselves in a period, but it's just a lucky day, but them not think. The mother they run her, the mother give her strength. Zane, the youth they help her because even the mother say, listen, several times the youth, the Candy, like Candy don't feel good and the youth take out in one money and give her. Zane, Candy come and say, yo, the youth collect her money from Marco Polo and then she know she get something for that, but Spice thing and, but in the end, that's what tell Candy not no sense. Marco Polo is a regular people that keep that. Promoters that keep that. That's not no artist. A birthday bash. Spice give her exposure like that. The youth say him call Spice, the manager youth, and beg Spice to go on the show. It's not like the Spice beg them to come in, him beg Spice to look us that Spice offer them it and say then come in, come do nothing. And this is what go on at the end. So you see what mash up Candy now? Maybe you're the fool boyfriend, who they run her now, who tell her foolishness, who tell her stupidness, cause all of this. But in the end, I tell her, this look a wow thing, it'll go finish. Because anybody can say wow. Anybody. Wow. Anybody. Boy, I tell you, Jamaica people, send good people on road. See, Stop sending the local something wanna worth it. Send good people. Send good artists on road, man. Whole heap of several good artists. Send good people on road. Send good comedian on road. Send good gimmicks people on road. But them look at something here in a worth it because this happen over and over. See there? Right now, Mackerel, several fans lose off far. But me not jumping at that right now, people. Me on a different candy topic today. So I don't know what the thing going on my viewers and my subscribers. I don't know. It's our Friday. Hope it be a blessed one for you all, man. I don't know. Go and big up on yourself. Go and bless up on yourself. I don't know. This is NEWLINK again from NEWLINK Production. Now we saying subscribe, like, share. And remember, hit that notification bell icon under the video. So as NEWLINK drop a video, you will get them. Don't know what you think of my people. Enough love, enough respect. Peace. I'm out. Attack, attack, attack.